like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with two different versions of the Walmart box. Now, I get two versions because every now and then they'll have you ask you if you want to upgrade, and I get two. That way, I can upgrade one and not upgrade the other when they do that. One is version 7 and one is version 3, and you can tell that by right here. And these are $6.97, and that includes shipping. So it's a good price, and usually one item in here pays for it, and it's interesting, you know. And you do get drugstore brands, and you get these cards, and this is all the things you could have gotten. And it always says on there, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise that we thought you'd love. So there's that. Now we did get Degree. And I don't mind this because I put this in my purse. In them days when it's just not enough, especially this summer, it's been just torturous. So I just kind of throw this in my purse and put it on when I feel like I need it. And of course that's travel size, and full size is 612, and that's 3.8 ounces, and I think this is less than 3 ounces, so yeah. And I'll do all the math below, and I'll put it on the screen, you know. Okay, then we got this EOS Evolution of Smooth Shea Butter 24-hour moisture body lotion. And I believe this is full size. Yeah, this is full size, and it's $8.98. No, I guess it's not. Size, and it's $8.98. No, I guess it's not. This is 2.5 fluid ounces, and full size is 16, so it must be this big. Oh, it's probably got a seal. Yes, it does. It's got a seal. And you really can't go wrong with Shea Butter. And EOS is a good name. Good brand. So I'm just going to put it on my hands, just so you can see the consistency. Smells really good. Of course, there again, you can't go wrong with Shea Butter. But, you know, that's a nice size, you know, for travel too. Just throw it in your suitcase and go. Okay, now this is the Micro Eye Pencil. Micro Perfect Point Plus. It is by COVERGIRL, and it's waterproof, and it's bold black. And I'm not going to open that because I do have a few open, and I like to use them as I can. And this is Cleansing Melts Fondant Daily Facial Cleanser, and it's got 4 dissolving pads. That's interesting. I've been using those the last couple of days. I've been using. Let's see how I get this out. Oh, I see. I've been using those. Not the first aid ones, but the ROC ones. Well, that. I assume you just get them wet because they're dry. And then you can use it to clean your face with. But I do like the ROC ones. They're a lot better. Okay, and then we have. Oh, I don't know if I got a value on that. Oh, 32 count is $9.88, and we got 4. So. Okay, then we got this. This is a Hask Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner, and it's full size for $1.97. Yeah, there's something else in here. I was going to say that was kind of chintzy, but there's something else in here. And this is Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Moisture Hold Jelly. So it's for your hair. And full size is 12 ounces and it's $11.97. And we got 10 ounces. So it's a little larger than that. I don't know, is that 1 point or is that 10? I think it's 10. So it would be just a little larger than this. But it's a hair gel, so I'm going to stick it here. And see, it's a gel. And that's its consistency. I don't know if you can see it. This is a hair gel. And I will put the back, yeah, it's a, I bet it is very holding. But I will put all the values on the screen. Because I do all the math and all that, you know. And if I find the link, I will, to the item, I will put the link in. That's just what I do. Now we'll go on to version 3. This one is popping at the seams. So, let's see what this one, is it the same on the inside? No, they're not the same on the inside. Okay, let's see what we got. First, we got this big old thing. This is Sundae AHA Green Tea Exfoliating Whipped Shower Foam. And I did get a shower foam once. Here it is. Scents will vary. Full size is $15.98. And this is full size, 8.9 ounces. So this is. And I got green tea. Let's see what it smells like, because it says smells will vary. Oh, look, it looks like you're making whipped cream. Is there a safety thing on it? I can't smell a thing. I know I'm doing this wrong. Shouldn't it? I don't know. I'll figure it out later. See, I'm looking like a dumbass to you. And then we got 4 more of these melt pads. Which those would be nice. Like if you're going away for a weekend, just throw them in your thing and it has your face soap in it. And then we got another pencil. This one was a dud. And then we got a sample size of Nautica. And it is for him. So, oh, I guess it didn't roll under the table. I thought it did. Okay. Now I'm going to spray it on this paper and see if we want him to smell like that. So we're going to find the spray part. I don't think I got it. What is wrong with me today? I think right there's where it comes out. Maybe not. I'll just take the whole damn thing off. I don't know. I don't really smell anything. That'd just be disappointing. That'd be just disappointing. I don't smell anything. Oh, now it smells like a little manly. It smells a little manly there. Well, you know, I live in Ohio, and Jerry Wayne will not wear cologne because he says it's not good for deer hunting. And they had to lengthen deer season here because the deers are just getting manged. You know, they're as dry as the summer has been, and there hasn't been as many hunters to keep them at bay, and it's just really been a time here. Our local pumpkin patch hasn't even been opening up this year because of the drought. So, you know, they're just like, what are we going to do with all these deers? You know, because they get overrun, and then they start getting mange, and then some of them starve to death, and then some of them are just sickly, and then, you know, they cause a lot of accidents. So, But he won't wear cologne because of the deer. But you know, between you and me, I've known him a long time. And I've only seen him get 2 deers in that whole time. But we ain't telling nobody. Oh, by the way, I have to give a shout out. I forgot Haley. To my niece Haley. Haley Gruber, who goes to River Valley Junior High School. She wants to do a video with me, and her mom and dad say it's okay, so I'm going to try to figure out a video appropriate for her. But, bless her heart, she had to get a selfie with me. Now, she's got a dozen selfies with me. From, you know, we always took selfies and stuff. But since my channel, her and her friends all watch me, and she was calling them my fans, so shout out to Haley Gruber and all her friends at River Valley Junior High. Bye! Oh, I forgot, like, subscribe. I got so excited about the girls. Anyway, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye, Haley.